curly or wavy hairs and don't know how to manage, this video is surely for you. In this video, we will share 3-step routine for curly hair management. So let's get started. Step number 1, cleansing hair with sulfate-free shampoo. As sulfates can strip natural oils from your curls, leaving them dry and frizzy. Always use a small amount of shampoo, focus on massaging it on scalp, rinse your hair thoroughly, and always avoid using warm water. Step number 2, condition and detangle. Conditioning is crucial for your hair as it provides moisture and makes detangling easier. Use a hydrating conditioner specially designed for curly hair. Use a white tooth comb while conditioner is in your strands. Rinse your hair with cool water, which helps seal the cuticles and reduces frizz. Last but not the least, applying a leave-in conditioner. Take a small amount of leave-in conditioner and evenly distribute into your damp hair. Focus on the ends and areas prone to dryness. This step provides additional moisture and helps define your curls. Curly hair can benefit from some extra care between the washes. On non-wash days, if you want to refresh your curls, then spritz some water with conditioner mix, then scrunch and reshape. Hope you like this video. For more health-related content, subscribe to TheHealthSite.com.